Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and today I'm going to be repairing a small piece that's damaged in my tub. And I was just sent this tub and sink repair kit. This works on cultured marble, it works on tile, ceramic. It's got a two-part mix that you mix 1-to-1. Loving the fact that the kit includes everything from the gloves that you need, the stir stick, the masking tape. It even includes 2 different types of sandpaper that you can use for rough finishing and polishing it up with that 320 there, an instruction guide, and everything that you're going to need to put this in. I'm going to go ahead and get these 2 things mixed up. This is the white color. You can get them in other colors, and they provide you with the stir stick. So I'm going to go ahead and get that mixed up, and then we're going to go back and make a repair. Okay, we got our 50-50 mix put in here. Now you're going to go ahead and stir this. This is a nice thick substance. You got to get it 50-50, and you're going to have to stir it for about 2 minutes. You're going to make sure everything gets thoroughly mixed in there, and that's going to go ahead and activate all this and get it ready to go. Now I have mixed in a little more than I'm even going to need. This is actually quite a lot of this in this kit, so if you had even a major repair, should be able to accomplish that, which is nice. I've got a hole that's appeared here in our tub where there was a screw holding something on there, and it is kind of broken loose there, so I'm going to go ahead and be patching that and filling that with this. So once I get this put on there, I'm going to put it in, and then we're going to use that scraper and kind of scrape off the excess. All right, we've done about 2.5 minutes worth of stirring. Everything is really nice and thick stirred in there, which is great. I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of this and go ahead and apply that liberally there to that spot that we've got there. I've got a couple uneven spots over here. I'm actually going to go ahead and just kind of put it on a lot of these spots because you've got that scraper tool. So now that that's kind of all in there, I'm going to grab this scraper, and then we're going to actually use this to just scrape off any excess like that. And that's actually got all that filled into that hole there. So what I'm going to do is leave that now for the 12 to 24 hours, and then we're going to come back and get that nice and sanded. We've let this now sit for over 24 hours. Everything on there is great. Now you send it with these 2 pieces here. You've got your P1000 and your 320. So the 1000 is going to be for polishing. This one here is going to be for actually taking off some of this excess here. So I'm going to go ahead and get on here, and we're going to take off some of this excess. And that's going to come off really pretty quickly. I can already see that it's coming off of there, but it has definitely filled that hole in there. So then we're going to use this polishing one, and we're going to go ahead and get this part polished in here. And I mean, this just is making this repair here, and it's filled everything out real nicely. And whenever you're done, we'll get that all nice and smooth on there, and you can just wipe it off. And you've got a nice repair that's going to last and be really strong with that 2-part epoxy part that's put in there. That'll work great. Thank you guys again for sending it.